Guys, just I thought this process was going to be easily done. There's more to it. Anyway, there's a QR code there. And to open this box, we have more cutting to do. There's one on this side. And there's another one right there. And I hope I don't destroy the box while I do this, but you never know. I might. Wouldn't be the first time. Alright, so once that's done, I hope this will come out nice and easily, because alright, that part came out easily, so I guess now there's more cutting to do. There's tape all around this bit here, so I guess I'll have to take that off, and it's going to take a while. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you after I do that.